Hi guys, you guys should see the little red dot blinking on the top of your screen. I apologize for the chaotic start to the morning. Unfortunately, the storms at my house are pretty solid and I just lost internet. So we're gonna make do with what we can. You guys can still see the lesson, I hope. If you're only seeing me, that means you're in speaker view. So in the top right corner, you want to click it where it says speaker view and switch it to gallery view. That'll let you see all of our screens and it'll let you see our account that is sharing the lessons. So you'll want to see Unique Learning Systems Lesson 4 up on the screen. Okay. And we are going to start. Miss Carla, will you please switch to the next page? So today we are talking about shopping in your community. Now, community is a word we've been talking about quite a bit this month, as you guys know, and community means a place where you live and work. My phone's dying, guys. Sorry for the weird angle. It's going to be a not good tech day. So we are going to talk about shopping in a community. So shopping where you live, where you work, where you run errands. Every community has stores to go shopping. Your community may have many stores. Your community might only have a few. Different stores sell different things. It is important to know what you need and where you should go to buy it. So we all live in Jackson for the most part, and Jackson as a whole has a lot of stores. You guys might live in smaller communities within the Jackson area, but we still are lucky enough to have access to a lot of options just because Jackson itself, the city, has a ton of options. And I know some of our local communities also have quite prevalent downtown areas. So we're pretty lucky with where we live. We don't have to travel far to get something that we need. So when you're shopping, you might need to buy food. Some places you can buy or get food are grocery stores, discount stores, food pantries, convenience stores, or restaurants. So what I would like you guys to do is get your yes or no cards for me. Miss Carla, please let me know if I drop out of frame. My phone is attached to a cord. So, and Miss Carla, I will need you guys or Miss Margaret to help me keep track of everyone's answers because I can only see one screen on my phone. So with your yes and no cards, what I would like for you to do is let me know, do you guys like going out to eat at a restaurant? Yes or no? So for me, it's a yes. I'm a big fan. I believe I see Miss Denise with a yes card. Miss Margaret, how about your room? Do you guys like going out to eat?
Yes. Oh, and Omir finally answered yes. He likes to go out to eat.
Nice. I figured Omir might like going out.
Yeah.
He seems like he would enjoy that kind of stuff. All right, next question. So, nope, thank you. You may need to buy medicine or first aid supplies. And if you guys remember, first aid supplies are things that we use when we are hurt. So they include like Band-Aids or gloves when we have to help somebody else who's hurt. So you could buy these things at a pharmacy or a drugstore, and some medicines need a prescription from a doctor. Some medicines you buy without a prescription. You do not need a prescription for first aid supplies like bandages, ice packs, or thermometers. You may need to buy clothes. Some places you can buy clothes are department stores, thrift stores, discount stores, or malls. So I'm going to ask, and it's kind of a weird question, do you guys like to shop at thrift stores? I'm going to say yes. I'm a big fan. I like doing it because of and Miss Margaret does, I see. I like it, A, because it's cheaper, but B, I like the sustainability and I like history that comes with clothes. Like sometimes you get really cool clothes from other decades. And so that's a lot of fun. So Miss Margaret says yes. Is anybody else saying yes?
What do you think, Omer? Do you like to shop at thrift stores? Yes or no? No.
Oh, that's okay. You always look pretty stylish, my dude. I liked your plaid shirt the other day, especially. I meant to tell you, your fuzzy plaid.
He's a sharp dresser.
I know. Miss Carla, Miss Denise, what did you guys say?
Yes, we do.
All right, nice. All right, will you click to the next page, please? So can you move the icon? Thank you. You may need to take care of your clothes. Some places to take care of your clothes are a laundromat, a dry cleaner, or a tailor. So I'm curious, do you guys have washing machines and dryers in your house? Not everybody does. Some people choose not to do that. Some people live in apartments where they have like one big one down in the basement or on like the main floor of the apartment complex. So I'm curious, do you guys have washer and dryers at your house? Yes or no? And at your house, if you live in an apartment and they're just like on your complex, that counts too. So do you guys have them at your house? I have a yes. I think Miss Denise is showing yes. I know
Yes.
Miss Carla, she does everybody.
Omer is saying yes.
Oh, nice, Omer. Miss Margaret, do you and Miss Kasha have them at your house? Yes. Yes. Okay. When I lived in an apartment, we had to go to the laundromat and it was so much work. So I'm glad everybody has access to getting stuff clean conveniently. So you may have other stores in your community, such as hardware stores, tools, or home repair materials. There's florists and they do flowers and sell plants. There's pet stores that sell supplies and food to take care of your pets. So I know Miss Carla and Miss Denise both have pets. Mr. Omer, do you have any pets at your house? Yes or no?
Omer says no.
No, no pets. Miss Margaret, do you have a pet? You have a dog, don't you?
Yes, Connie and Kasha and myself, we all have dogs.
Nice. So I have a dog and 2 cats. So most of us have pets, but Mr. Omer, sometimes I think you have the right idea. My pets have been quite naughty lately, and they might have to go stay with their grandma because I need a break because they've been bad, Omer. So naughty. So when you run errands or go shopping, you need to remember to check store hours. Nothing is more frustrating than getting to a store and it being closed when you need to get in and out really quickly. Being friendly and using good manners. You want to be nice to the people who work and shop there. You should make a list of the things that you need to buy. You should plan for how you're going to get to and from the store. Now, this is a big one that a lot of people aren't necessarily good planners about. And I know this was the case when I was younger. When I first went to college, I had to take the bus to the grocery store. And I am a person that buys all of my groceries for the month in one trip. I don't like to go to the store a lot. And so I would do this in college, and then I'd have to carry like 20 grocery bags all by myself on a city bus. And that was not a good plan on my part. There wasn't room and it was heavy and my groceries would break in the middle of the bus. Just was not a good decision. So you guys need to have a plan and you need to bring a way to pay. Miss Carla, we go to the next page, please. So we are going to figure out what can you buy at a grocery store? Is it A, ingredients, or B, a bicycle? Now, when we're talking about grocery store, we are not talking about like a Meijer or a Walmart in this case. We're talking about like Kroger or Polly's. So can you buy A, ingredients, or B, a bike? I see an A from Miss Margaret, Miss Denise, and Miss Carla. What did you guys say?
A.
Okay. Mr. Omer, did the girls get it right? Did you choose A too?
He chose A also.
Nice work. Next page, please. Okay, what can you get at a pharmacy? Can you get A, medicine, or B, a burger and fries? Okay, I see an A from Miss Margaret.
A.
Omir
Mr.
says A also.
Nice job, buddy. Thank you. Next page, Miss Carla. What can you do at a laundromat? Can you A, buy groceries, or B, wash clothes?
Omir, what do you think? What do you do at the laundromat? Do you A, buy groceries, or B, wash clothes? B, Omir says. Thank you.
B. Good job, Amir.
Thank you, friends. Okay, let's go to the next page. So what can you buy at a restaurant? A, roses, or B, burger and fries? Now, this one I want you guys to think careful, because some restaurants that you go for a date, you can buy both. So if you go to a fancy restaurant for like anniversaries and stuff, Omir, sometimes they sell flowers there that you can give to the person you're on a date with. But we're talking about a normal restaurant. So is it A, roses, or B, burger and fries? I see Carla signing B, Miss Denise with the letter B.
Omir says B.
Nice job, Mr. Omir. Miss Margaret, thank you. Okay, so what can you buy at a pet store? A, dog food, or B, clothes? And these are people clothes, not dog clothes, for those friends that like to dress their doggies up. Miss Margaret says A, I say A. Mr. Omir, did you pick A or B?
He picked A.
Nice job, buddy. All right. So we're moving to maps now, and we're not going to try and figure out the best path to take. We're just going to figure out where to shop. So across our top row, we have a pharmacy, a pet store, a bookstore, a restaurant, and a flower shop. On the bottom, we have a grocery store, I think it's laundromat. Nope. I can't see what that's. What's the one next to the grocery store? Hardware store. Okay, it's a hardware store, laundromat, and then a thrift shop. So we want to find where to go to buy ingredients for a carrot cake recipe. We need flour, sugar, eggs, and carrots. So where can we go to buy these things? Can we go A, the grocery store? Oh, no, wait, A is the laundromat. Sorry, guys. B, the grocery store, or C, the restaurant? Where can we go to buy ingredients? Miss Carla is signing B. Miss Denise, I think, is holding up a B.
Omir also says B. Good job, Omir.
Thank you, buddy. Nice work. Okay. So for our next one, we need to buy a pair of jeans and a couple of shirts to wear while working in the yard. So these are clothes we're probably going to get dirty if we're working in the yard. We do not need brand new clothes. So we want to buy clothes that are used. Where can you buy these? A, the thrift store. B, you guys, I'm doing this out of order again. A, the pet store, B, the flower shop, or C, the thrift shop? C, yep. Yep, 3C, this thrift shop.
Amir says C also.
I just got internet, so I can see him now finally.
Oh, good.
Thank you guys for helping me. So if we want to buy a gift for our grandma, she loves roses and lilies. Where would we go to buy a gift for our grandmother? A, the flower shop, B, the pharmacy, or C, the hardware store? Nice work, Omir. Yes, we would go to the flower shop. If we wanted to do stuff she could plant in her yard, we might go to like a hardware store like Home Depot or Menards or like Ace Hardware, and they would sell them that we could plant in her yard. But this case, we want them in a vase. So we just got a new prescription from a doctor and we need to get it filled. Where would we go? A, the pharmacy, B, the thrift shop, or C, the hardware store? Where would we go to get our prescription filled? A, good job, buddy. Nice work. Okay, we have 5 questions left, Mr. Omir. Okay, you're doing such a good job. So we want to read new adventure books. We want to buy a new book to take on vacation. I want to know where we're going on vacation. I hope it's somewhere not rainy. Where can we go to buy a new book? A, the pet store, B, the hardware store, or C, the bookstore? Miss Margaret says C. Denise and Carla say C. Mr. Omir, I think you showed B, but I think you're changing maybe. Yeah, you switched it to C. That's right. It's C, the bookstore. Okay. You need to do your laundry and the washing machine at home is broken. How frustrating. Where can we go to clean our clothes? A, the laundromat, B, groceries, C, the thrift shop. We could just drop him off at Miss Carla's house, though. I'd also accept that answer. A, good job. It is the laundromat. You did not pack lunch today. Uh-oh. You want a burger and fries. Where can we go to buy a lunch? A, a laundromat, B, a hardware store, or C, a restaurant? Good job, C. I saw you thinking. You're doing such a good job, Mr. Omir. So we want to hang some pictures in our house. We need a new hammer and some nails. Where would we go to get hammer and nails? A thrift shop, B, the hardware store, or C, the pet store? Oh, nice work, buddy. It is B. We would go to the hardware store. Uh-oh, we ran out of dog food. We need to buy a bag for our dog. Where would we go? A, the pet store, B, the flower shop, or C, the restaurant? A, good job, A. Yeah, it would be the pet store. I know my puppy would prefer a burger and fries from the restaurant, but A, you guys are right. It is the pet store. So that is actually it for this lesson. I am so thankful you guys were here with me today and you were willing to work with me on the technology issues. I'm sorry, and hopefully they'll be all fixed before our next lesson. And thank you so much, Mr. Omir. I love seeing you smile. It's so nice to have you join us every day. Okay, see you at 11:30, guys. Bye.